What's cracking? Hopefully it's not your back. Now listen, if you want to learn about cryptocurrency, taking a good crypto course can help you understand how it works. There are many courses out there, but some are really good at teaching you everything that you need to know. One of the great courses out there, one of the best, is called CryptoZombies. Okay? It's a fun and easy way to learn how to make your own games and apps using cryptocurrency. So you basically get to learn by playing games and solving puzzles, which makes it a lot of fun. And it's perfect if you're a beginner and you want to learn the simple way. All right? Now, another popular course is Coinbase Learn. It's one of the biggest platforms where people can buy and sell crypto. And their learning platform is free and it offers easy lessons on how to understand how crypto works. And, how to buy and sell, how to stay safe. It's great for beginners and it's great for people who want to learn more about using crypto safely. So that's two. Now, for people that want a deeper dive, Udemy, okay? I'll put these in the description. Udemy offers a lot of different courses, crypto courses. You can find courses that teach everything from how to trade crypto to understand the technology behind it. Many of these courses are taught by experts and can give you a lot of useful knowledge. Taking a crypto course can help you feel more confident and ready to start using crypto. So, yeah. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. You get what you give.